This is
S
T
O
P.
Welcome to tonight's Christmas special brought to you by Stop Network. Tonight they will be discussing the dangers and great things about the Amazon rainforest. This is a great episode to watch with you and your family. Please stay tuned.
Hello and welcome to Nighttime News brought to you by Stop Network. I'm your host, Ida Cake, here with my co-host, More Salata.
Today's topics are deforestation and the endangered species it causes.
You know, the Amazon rainforest is very large.
Yes, 2.5 million square miles of large.
And it's also burning like this candle here.
Yes, 2,700 million acres of burning.
Thanks, Ida. And here we are, talking about the Amazon rainforest and all the harm we've done to it. Here are some of our top reporters showing video clips of what is happening to the Amazon rainforest and what's going on there.
Man, it's dark in here.
Yeah.
It is.
Did you know that in the darkest part of the rainforest, there's less than 3% sunlight?
Oh, that's cool.
Yep.
So dark.
Tree conversations.
I'm a tree.
Yep, I'm a tree too.
I take carbon dioxide.
And I make oxygen.
How's making oxygen going for you?
Pretty well. How about you?
Pretty good. I want to move to the Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, me too. I hear it's nice there this time of year.
Yeah. Makes a lot of air. Breathe in, breathe out. What a relief. In the Amazon rainforest, the tallest tree, the kapok, is over 200 feet tall.
I'm a tree.
Did you know more than 20% of Earth's air comes from the Amazon rainforest?
Yes, it does.
Deforestation is also known to cause soil erosion and pollution. Here's actual footage of a local tree being deforested.
I'm a tree.
I'm a deforestation worker.
I'm a sloth.
According to these Fruit Loops, approximately 47% of the trees in the rainforest have been deforested.
The Amazon rainforest withholds the Amazon River, which is about 4,195 miles long.
That was great, guys. And now our next story features some clips about the endangered wildlife of the Amazon rainforest.
Did you know that 1/3 of the bird species in the world live in the Amazon rainforest?
And now, Stop Network will be discussing the Amazon rainforest's most endangered animals. The Amazon rainforest is home to many of the world's endangered animals, including the three-toed sloth. Another endangered animal is the jaguar. Jaguars are endangered because they're wanted for their fur, and they're also very carnivorous.
Here we are camping out in the Amazon rainforest, noticing all the remains of the trees that have been cut down.
All the animals are moving deeper into the jungle, where they will be safer and have better habitats.
Stop! Have time! Can't touch this. Can't touch this.